Welcome to the Virtual Job Fair Zoom tutorial. Before we start, please note that in the video description you can select the time code that will take you to a specific part of this video. That way, you can easily rewatch it. As an employer, you will automatically be in a waiting room when you join the Zoom session. Once you are admitted by the host, hover over your name, click More, Rename, then change your name to first name at company's name. After a quick briefing, you will be invited to join the breakout room of the company that you are representing. Please click Join to be redirected to your breakout room. If you don't see it, click on the three dots, More, then click Breakout Room and select Join for your room. The breakout room works similarly to the main room, where participants can turn their video and mic on, and you'll be able to share your screen. Once employers are in their respective breakout rooms, the host will start admitting students to the main meeting room for a brief 5-minute introduction. After that, the students will join the breakout rooms of their choice. If you need to share your screen with students, click the Share Screen button from the main menu and select the application you want to share. If you need to send a private message to a student, select the chat option from your Zoom menu. Click on the student's name in the drop-down menu and type your message. In case you need help while in the breakout room, you can notify the host by clicking on Ask for Help. The host will be asked to join your breakout room. Finally, if at any point you want to move back into the main meeting room, you can click Leave Room, but make sure you don't select Leave Meeting. When the job fair is wrapping up, you will receive a warning from the meeting host. Typically, we will provide a 15-minute and 5-minute warning before closing the rooms. Enjoy the job fair and the new connections.